You see, a lot of Kashmiris support Imran Khan, and one of the reasons of supporting Imran Khan was that he was one of the very few political leaders who said that the people of Kashmir will be given the choice, even if they do it under the UN Security Council resolution, because there are only two options there. But after that, they will be given the choice of whether to stay back with Pakistan or be independent. Because I had asked him a question, and I told him, if you again become the prime minister, what will you do for Kashmir? So he said, except for war, I will go to do any. So then I said, asked him another question. I said that if tomorrow India stops water, what will you do? You will go for war, because because that is the most important thing. First of all, I told it in this context that this water is ours. For example, it means Kashmiris, and India is nobody to decide about. You see, because they are dictating terms today to Pakistan, telling them that will stop water. Whose water they will stop? It's ours. It's a disputed area. Under international law, they cannot do anything.
Watch Federal Post. Bold and independent.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं हसन जफर। ये है प्रोग्राम टॉकिंग पॉलिटिक्स। हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर मुबीन शाह साहब, कश्मीर डायस्पोरा कोalition के वाइस चेयरमैन हैं। इनसे बात करेंगे आज हम कश्मीर के बारे में। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम टुडे। एक हाइपोथेटिकल स्लैश फ्यूचरिस्टिक सिनेरियो आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ। वो ये कि कश्मीर इंडिया से आज़ाद हो जाता है, आज़ादी मिल जाती है, और आपका आज़ाद कश्मीर और कश्मीर यूनाइट हो जाता है। तो उस सूरत हाल में कश्मीर के पाकिस्तान के साथ क्या ताल्लुकात होंगे, हम दोनों आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे, बल्कि आपके जहन में क्या उसका खाका मौजूद है?
देखिए सर, अभी तो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम क्या है कि जो कश्मीरी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कश्मीरीज ऑन द इंडियन साइड, they want that decision needs to be taken by the people of Kashmir. Usme they are basically looking only for two options, and one is merger with Pakistan, and naturally with conditions, and second is in total independence. So isme things change, because long time back, to tell you very frankly, starting in the 1990s, there were majority of the people were for independent Kashmir. Then a phase came where a lot of people went towards, merger with Pakistan. But now, at this point of time, there is a possibility that the other, the independent Kashmir may be, on the sort of with the majority of the people. This is not me speaking. This is what we feel on the ground
Yeah, but
in Indian occupied Kashmir.
it can ultimately be determined by a referendum.
Yes, that is what we want. That the referendum. You see,
And
I
that
will
will
tell
be
you one more thing important is although some of my friends in Pakistan don't like it, but you see, a lot of Kashmiris support Imran Khan, and one of the reasons of supporting Imran Khan was that he was one of the very few political leaders who said that the people of Kashmir will be given the choice, even if they do it under the UN Security Council resolution, because there are only two options there. But after that, they will be given the choice of whether to stay back with Pakistan or be independent, as per the Constitution of Pakistan, which is the Constitution of Pakistan itself. So a
yes.
lot of people did not know that.
That's fair enough, because we don't want to impose ourselves on the will of the Kashmiri people. जो
Exactly.
जो उनको सही लगेगा, जो उनका दिल कहेगा, वैसे ही होना चाहिए। ये तो पाकिस्तान में मेरा ख्याल है इसमें कोई ऑपोजिशन नहीं है, सब लोग यही बिलीव करते हैं। तो इसमें ये दो सिनेरियोज को हम डिस्कस करते हैं। आगे जाने से पहले एक और इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे प्लेबिसाइट का वादा किया था UN Security Council की रेजोल्यूशन ने, if the plebiscite is held today, what will be the outcome? 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 क्या चांसेस हैं कि कश्मीरी को अगर ओपन चांस दिया जाए तो विल दे चूज टू स्टे विद इंडिया? इस ऑप्शन को आप कैसे देखते
I don't think so. No, no, no chance. No chance. Yes, except some places in Jammu, which is sort of Jammu district, Jammu district, Kutwa, district Samba, and Udhampur to a certain extent. That is all. Rest, no. Rest is a very, in the Jammu region, you can say 50-50. 50-50 means the Muslim dominated areas will certainly not go with India. And
हैं?
the
और इसको
Kashmir
क्या
Valley is out of question. Kashmir Valley
इसको
is out of question.
डेमोग्राफिक्स क्या है कश्मीर की आफ्टर ये बीजेपी के जो इन्होंने फिर जो रीलोकेट किया हिंदुओं को वहां पे वहां के डोमिसाइल्स दिए तो उससे कितना फर्क पड़ा है डेमोग्राफिक्स पे कश्मीर?
Presently in the valley, it is not yet to that level because, but they are what we fear. Particularly, I have been posting on my Facebook every time. Every time whenever I feel and there's a news, because first of all they're very secretive about how many domiciles they have given. Some people say that it is about let us say 200,000, some say 300,000, some say recently the government said it is only about 83,000, but I don't believe that 83,000 figure also. But still, even 83,000, our population base is not so big. It is 35 lakh, 3.5 million people. So, in Kashmir Valley, I'm talking about.
वो डोमिसाइल्स तो देखिए कैंसिल भी हो सकते हैं ना व्हेन इट कम्स टू
Oh,
द
yes, that is there. It is all how effective the administrator of the Palisade administrator will be.
एग्जैक्टली तो वो तो इस किस्म के अननेचुरल डोमिसाइल्स तो कैंसिल हो सकते हैं वो प्लेबिसाइड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो भी हो उसको कितने चांसेस हैं कि ये प्लेबिसाइड हो जाए और एक डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से ये मामला रिजॉल्व हो जाए?
देखिए sir, we hope that is the way to go, because we have been matlab, as a Kashmiri I can tell you that for last 78 years we are looking forward for that only. We are not looking for that there should be fight between the two countries, or for that matter we had initially felt that there should be no need of an armed rebellion or armed resistance. But it was only after every avenue was finished, so Kashmiris went into armed resistance, because they at one point of time even thought of going into the assembly, and through the assembly do whatever democratically in a way. But rigging of elections happened and all these things, and it didn't work out. It didn't work out. The people, the youth, then revolted, and they took arms for the after that. 1990s. It was a homegrown rebellion. It was not. Yes, initially after some time, Pakistan supported it, but it was not the country which created it. It was done by Kashmiris themselves. And we know that in 1990, I was in Kashmir when people went on their own for, to the other side of Kashmir, for, because we as Kashmiris feel the other side of Kashmir is our also. And at the same time, they should be basically the base for resistance, and where we should get the necessary support. Whether then Pakistan supports that or not, that is beside the point. But this is basically because one part of Kashmir is free, another part is under occupation. So this was the basic belief at that point of time.
हमारी जब पिछली गुफ्तगू हुई थी तो उस वक्त ये 6 मई और 10 मई के वाकयात नहीं हुए थे
हाँ जी.
और उस वक्त आपने कहा था कि कश्मीरीज काइंड ऑफ फील डिसअपॉइंटेड पाकिस्तान के व्हाट पाकिस्तान कुड डू हैजंट डन। अब ये 10 मई 6 से 10 मई वाले वाकयात ने क्या बदला है? व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड आफ्टर दैट?
इसी देखिए सर, 2-3 चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है इसमें. हाँ, मतलब थ्रू योर medium and through your platform, I can sort of if you go through my first interview in Dawn newspaper when I was in Pakistan, and at that time I had told that what I had seen, I had gone two times only to Pakistan. Number one was in 1980, and the second visit was just 2 years back. And I told in my that interview that there's a lot of difference between Pakistan of that 1980 and now. The people are not very forthcoming regarding Kashmir. They are not sort of, जो वो जज्बा नहीं था जो 1980s में था for Kashmir. Everybody, wherever I would go, Kashmir, whenever I would discuss where my chota tha us waqt, but at the same time we could feel that the Pakistani people. But at this time, in 2 years back, it was not so much. It was not, although we had now gone through this 2019 thing and all that, still it was not so much. So, लेकिन I did tell in my interview there in that, and even to Imran Khan also I told, and we had this feeling at that point of time, so that in Pakistan did not do what it should have done because of the fact that, and I went to even question him and say that, because he said, we accept for war, because I had asked him a question, and I told him, if you again become the prime minister, what will you do for Kashmir? So he said, except for war, I will go to any extent. So then I said, asked him another question. I said that if tomorrow India stops water, what will you do? You will go for war, because because that is the most important thing, and that
अभी
is what happened. This is what happened. This is what
एग्जैक्टली
happened now.
या और अभी तो कल हमारे जो जॉइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ है जनरल साहिर शमशाद साहब, उन्होंने
हाँ
तो
जी.
ही हैज वेरी क्लियरली सेड इट कि ये अगर पानी वाला इन्होंने खेल खेला तो उसका सीधा जवाब फिर नाउ द सिचुएशन इज इवॉल्विंग वेरी फास्ट एज यू कैन सी पानी वाली बात आपने पिछली दफा भी की थी और बिल्कुल एक आपने जायज पॉइंट रेज किया था जो मैं दोबारा रेज करना चाहूँगा आज की बात के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में। आपने कहा था कि ये इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी पाकिस्तान ने हिंदुस्तान के साथ माहिदा कर लिया, वेयर एज द वाटर बिलोंग्स टू कश्मीर, तो उसमें कश्मीर को हम अगर एक इंडिपेंडेंट पार्टी समझते हैं तो उसमें कश्मीरियों का भी होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इसकी रॉयल्टी अगर है तो वो तो कश्मीर के पास जाती है। तो इस तरह से आप बताइए कि नाउ इमेजिन फ्रॉम वट एवर टाइम फ्रॉम नाउ कश्मीर एंड पाकिस्तान आर टुगेदर, तो ये रॉयल्टी का मसला जो है, ये आपको लगता है कि आज किसी जगह पे ये चीज़ें और ये जितने भी मामलात हैं वो निगोशिएट होने चाहिए पाकिस्तान और कश्मीर के बीच में, या we should wait for another appropriate time to take up these matters?
So that matter is, basically I had told this in this context, that first of all I had told it in this context that this water is ours. For example, it means Kashmiris, and India is nobody to decide about it. You see, because they are dictating terms today to Pakistan, telling them that will stop water. Whose water they will stop? It's ours. It's a disputed area.
Is
Under
that
international law, they cannot do anything. Number one. Number two is this, कि जब decision होगा Kashmir का, so the persons who will be at that point of time, negotiating for Kashmir, they will have to tell the terms of. I will just give you an example. It is not that sometimes when we have these type of discussions with certain type of people and in certain forums, then something crops up where we feel that this is not the way they should have told us like this. I remember, I don't know whether I mentioned it in that last meeting. No. I was in a conference in Sri Lanka before this LOC trade started, because I was the president of the chamber, and then I became the president of the joint chamber also. So I raised an issue because it had not yet started. The LOC trade had not, but these were preliminary discussions internationally. We had people from Pakistan, we had people from Kashmir, we had people from India also in that conference. And then there was a meeting, and in that, the Pakistan team was led by retired Lieutenant General Talat साहब थे. वो आते थे टीवी वीवीज पे, अब नहीं आते हैं मेरे ख्याल में. ही इज क्वाइट ओल्ड.
Yes.
सो वो उस मीटिंग में वहाँ लीड कर रहे थे पाकिस्तानी डेलीगेशन. तो उन्होंने फिर जब बातों बातों में डिस्कशन हुआ तो उन्होंने बोला व्हाट डू यू फील इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ एलओसी ट्रेड एंड ऑल. हमने बोला देखिए कश्मीरियों के लिए है कि द एलओसी ट्रेड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर अस सो दैट वी कैन डू ट्रेड विद द होल वर्ल्ड थ्रू पाकिस्तान. Because for us, Karachi is nearer than Bombay port. You see, one of our biggest producers, let us say, horticulture, apple. It can reach second day to the Middle East, while it will take 4 5 days, 6 days, 10 days going from Bombay. So that is why we are looking forward that LOC trade should start, and we should be allowed transit trade. तो उन्होंने मेरे को कमेंट वहां से वापस किया. उन्होंने मेरे को कमेंट ये वापस किया कि we will not allow you transit trade. I said, why? I said, you are allowing Afghanistan. बोला हमारे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है because the things which are meant for Afghanistan are sold in the Pakistani in Pakistan itself. We are our industry is getting hollowed out. I said this is an administrative problem. Because of that, you will not tell us that you will not give us transit trade. And then
ये
something.
खैर ये तो जाहिर है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स के लेवल पे डिसाइड होगा.
Yeah, I am not saying. What I am trying to tell you is that ऐसी बातें जब होती है ना तो फिर आदमी बोलता है यार हम इनके हैं. आर वी अ पोर्शन ऑफ देम और यू आर नॉट अ पोर्शन ऑफ देम.
Exactly. With all due respect to जनरल साहब, ये तो एक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स का मैटर है.
नहीं, वो तो बात ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने उनको उस वक्त भी बोला था, which he became they did not even take breakfast with me together next day, was this, that I told them General Saab, I think you don't know that all your water comes through Kashmir.
देखिए सीरियस मैटर्स हैं. और जो आपने पॉइंट रेज किया कि when Kashmiris were dying, they were being prosecuted and rounded up by the Indian forces, तो जाहिर है एक आप भी जानते हैं कि एक डिप्लोमेटिक एफर्ट एक सिचुएशन में चलती रही और पाकिस्तान को जिस किस्म की सिचुएशन में ड्रैग किया गया पिछले 10-15-20 सालों में, तो उसमें जो आपने डिफरेंस देखा 1980s में और फिर 2 साल पहले, तो a lot has happened during this time. तो उसमें जो जिस किस्म की सिचुएशन में किया गया, बट नाउ थिंग्स चेंज्ड. अगर आप आज पाकिस्तान आके देखें तो यू विल फील द डिफरेंस जो आपने शायद 2 साल पहले देखा होगा. उसमें there's a lot of difference between then and now.
I understand your point, but एक चीज मैं आपको इस वक्त भी बताता हूँ कि 1990 में India was very weak. It was not as strong as it is today. And 1990 में, when whole public of Kashmir was out on the streets, and it was in that full-blown thing, and and we know that our resistance leaders would say to us that we have been informed that आप उठो, आप सड़कों पे आ जाओ, we are going to come and help you. Nobody came.
90s में आप देखें कि पाकिस्तान की क्या सिचुएशन थी. The Soviets had just left, और उस वक्त Americans had abandoned Pakistan, और we were in a very very difficult situation at that time. आप जानते हैं कि उस दौर में क्या हुआ, प्रेसलर अमेंडमेंट वगैरह आई और हमारे साथ all of a sudden overnight things changed. तो पाकिस्तान मैं नहीं समझता कि उस वक्त किसी ऐसी पोजीशन में था कि इंडिया की उस वक्त कमज़ोर पोजीशन का फ़ायदा लेके कश्मीर के ऊपर कोई कार्रवाई कर सकता. तो अगर ज़रा इस तरह के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखें तो थिंग्स आर डिफ़िकल्ट फ्रॉम आवर पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल. तो अब चलिए अगर आप देखें ना, जैसे आप अभी कह रहे हैं, तो उसमें let's say कि there has to be a negotiation between Kashmiris and Pakistan. तो और ये है कि जैसे जैसे आपने कहा कि जी यूज ऑफ फोर्स, जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकली स्पीकिंग, मैं नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू यू नो यहाँ पे कोई एक प्लानिंग का मॉल, लेकिन if there has to be a military solution to Kashmir, तो उसमें एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग दोनों के बीच में होनी तो जरूरी है कि ओके, इफ यू आर लिबरेटेड एंड वी डू दिस, यू डू दिस, तो उसमें उसके बाद में ये दो ऑप्शन जो आपने पहले बताई, एक तो मर्जर की ऑप्शन है विद पाकिस्तान, तो वो मर्जर किन कंडीशंस पे होगा? यू विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द फेडरेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, व्हेन यू पार्ट ऑफ द फेडरेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, तो फिर जो यहाँ का सारा सिस्टम है उसके अंदर यू विल हैव अ प्लेस इन द सेनेट, यू विल हैव a share in the National Finance Award, NFC award, and other things. And if you choose to remain as an independent state, confederation में आ जाते हैं, जैसे भी होती है सूरत हाल, तो उसकी क्या सूरत हाल होगी? So how will this play out in the event of a liberated Kashmir? तो ये चीजें अगर पहले डिसाइड हो तो बेहतर नहीं है?
Sir, well, see, first of all, I am not a person who is in the position to tell you about this, because the political leadership is somebody else who is in prison, who are in prison at this time.
I know you are not, and you know I am not.
Right, right. You see, देखिए क्या है. If we go back to history, and if we see that Pakistan had given similar situation to that time Sheikh Abdullah, because I know about it, because one of my close relatives was connected with at that time, in the inner circles, and at that time Sheikh Abdullah was given by Qadi Azam through Liaquat Ali Khan the same proposal which India had given. And it is said that that relative of ours told us, he subsequently, after a very long time, that when that team came back to Delhi, and Nehru, this Sheikh Abdullah was with Nehru, and Sheikh Abdullah, the team asked to meet Sheikh Abdullah. Sheikh Abdullah called them into Nehru's house only. And then when they went into to have the meeting with Sheikh Abdullah, and Nehru came to know that he has given the same proposal. They have given the same proposal of this, which is then subsequently this 370 thing and all that. Only these four things will be with the central government. So he said, it is said, and that's relative of ours told us, that that Nehru came with so much anger into the room and told, "You will believe those people?" So this was because Sheikh Abdullah was so much awed by Nehru that he took his way, and it's unfortunate. So the part.
नेहरू साहब ने तो जो सिखों के साथ किया वो भी आप जानते हैं.
हाँ, yes, exactly.
उन्होंने कहा कि जी वो पहले बात और थी और अब बात और है, और जहाँ पे आज जो सिख खड़े हुए हैं सारे पंजाब में, वो भी आप जानते हैं. जो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी के 3 रिवर्स पंजाब में थे, ईस्ट पंजाब में,
उसका हरियाणा, राजस्थान ले लिया.
6% पानी ईस्ट पंजाब को मिलता है. So ये तो नेहरू साहब का जो वादा था वो सिखों ने इस तरह से.
ये मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना, बिकॉज द थिंग इज दैट जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना, इफ द सिचुएशन कम्स टू दैट, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. सो द थिंग इज दैट I feel that it will be negotiated by those people, because most probably Kashmiris will never will like to have a separate identity of their own, as they had with India as such, with a better with a better agreement rather than what India did. And
जैसे कि आजाद कश्मीर में पाकिस्तान के साथ ये है कि पाकिस्तानी यानी जो पाकिस्तान के डोमिसाइल होल्डर्स हैं वो आज़ाद कश्मीर में प्रॉपर्टी नहीं खरीद सकते.
Correct. That sort of thing. That sort of thing.
Sort of
I
thing.
think the minimum Kashmiris will ask for that is
Yes.
minimum that, and also
ये
other
out
things which
होनी चाहिए.
they,
मैं इस बात को करना इसलिए जरूरी समझ रहा हूँ कि पाकिस्तान में रहने वाले लोगों के और कश्मीर में रहने वाले लोगों के माइंड में ये चीज क्लियर होनी चाहिए. थिंग्स एम्बिगुअस चीजों के ऊपर हम आगे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं. So
बिल्कुल नहीं. That is why I said that is why I said, that if the people of Kashmir will decide for independent Kashmir, the Pakistani people should not oppose it.
of course एक चीज तो
because
रेफरेंडम होगा. They will decide कि उन्हें इंडिपेंडेंट रहना है या पाकिस्तान के
exactly
अंदर.
exactly
और अगर
exactly
इंडिपेंडेंट रहना है तो फिर एक ट्रेड रूट्स होंगे, ट्रेड रिलेशंस होंगे,
exactly
कॉन्फ्रंटेशन के अंदर होंगे. दे विल हैव
correct.
देयर वो अपना कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाना चाहेंगे. हाउ दे वांट टू रन द स्टेट ऑफ कश्मीर. सो ये सारी चीजें आउटलाइन होनी चाहिए.
सर मैंने तो एक ऑल्टरनेटिव जो प्रपोजल इवन आई हैव गिवन इट टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया आल्सो, एंड I got it passed also through the joint chamber in which Azad Kashmir Chamber was also there, that both sides of Kashmir should be declared as free economies. It was an alternate proposal to this fighting and all. We had proposed, the chamber had proposed that the whole of Jammu and Kashmir should be declared as a free economic zone. You see, I have lived in Singapore for 13 years. 13 years I lived in Singapore.
सिचुएशन आई है डॉक्टर साहब, जो करंट सिचुएशन डेवलप हुई है.
नहीं, मैं वो मानता हूँ आपकी चीज.
पुरानी प्रपोजल्स मेरे ख्याल है कि अब उनकी जगह
at that point of time proposed this thing also.
Yes. So now there is a brand new situation, or that's why I felt compelled to request you for this interview कि ये बातें की जाएं, क्योंकि आगे जैसे चीजें डेवलप होती नजर आती हैं तो ये जो एम्बिगुअस मैटर्स हैं इनके ऊपर क्लैरिटी आए, इनको डिबेट में लेके आए पाकिस्तान के अंदर और कश्मीर के अंदर, ताकि लोग इसके ऊपर अपनी राय दें.
Tell you very frankly, Kashmiris are not ambiguous about it. They are clearly saying, if you go through any writing of any Kashmiri, they were that we should be given the choice what we want to decide. Nobody should force us. That today India is forcing us, tomorrow Pakistan should not force us that you have to become a part of Pakistan.
Pakistan and चले दोनों सिनेरियोज में कश्मीर chooses to remain independent, तो फिर पाकिस्तान का वाटर ट्रीटी कश्मीर के साथ होगा. एक ट्रेड एंड ट्रांजिट रूट का ट्रेड को होगा एक एग्रीमेंट, और उसके बाद फिर प्रॉपर्टीज on both sides cannot be bought by, जैसे अभी आज़ाद कश्मीर में है, और within the framework of constitution रहेंगे या independent constitution होगा, उसके अंदर provision होगी. Would the Kashmiris want to, if they choose to remain independent, so they will not have place in the Pakistani parliament at all, तो उसका आपस में कोई ताल्लुक. So ये सारी चीजें आगे बढ़ने के लिए, क्योंकि अगर if you are expecting कि पाकिस्तानी forces या state उसके अंदर रोल प्ले करे the independence of कश्मीर, तो उसमें ये क्लैरिटी तो दोनों साइड पे होनी चाहिए कि okay, you want Pakistan to do this and Pakistan wants you to do this in return for this. तो ये चीजें खुल के जब तक बातें नहीं होंगी और इस तरह दिलों में बात रख के आगे बढ़ जाएं, तो फिर उसका कहीं नुकसान.
वो बात आपकी दुरुस्त है, क्योंकि इसीलिए हम जब भी कहीं बात करते हैं तो वी टॉक अबाउट इन दिस मैनर ओनली, बिकॉज यू टेल यू वेरी फ्रैंकली, we have a lot of leadership in the diaspora also who are straight away saying that no, nothing merger with Pakistan, we want independence straight away. We talk at this time the same thing, but we are trying to bring all of them to this conclusion that the right of this is to the people of Kashmir, not me, and not even as a leader. I can, I was instrumental in 2008. That's why one of the reasons of India going against me was that in 2008 I was instrumental to a certain extent, I cannot say the whole extent, that to bring the resistant leadership together on one platform. and that was on the right of self-determination. So this is what now I am saying
fully
that it should be
yes.
it should be as
There is another aspect to this. एक और इसका है. An independent Kashmir can remain exposed to Indian threats forever. और उसके
yeah,
लिए
you
आप
know, you see, the question is that in any country for that matter, देखिए ना सर क्या है कि any country, small or big, Nepal is a small country which is in front of us, but it is going on. Na? There are threats from all. It can be threatened by India all the time. It is threatened by India sometimes because of trade and all. So ये चीजें तो रहेंगी. Then that is how we will have to negotiate with our relationship with Pakistan. We have to negotiate with our relationship with
you
China.
will military protection यानी आपको
Yeah,
पाकिस्तान
naturally.
naturally
Naturally.
also
जैसे भूटान है, देखिए ना, Bhutan is also a free country, and but it doesn't have an army. So, but you know,
confrontation
it
with
is.
Pakistan will be a possibility. If not merger, a confrontation with Pakistan will be a
Yeah, it can
possibility.
be. It can be a very special relationship also. It cannot be that it is naturally because we have natural affinity with Pakistan. That is no question about that. But it can be a very special relationship. It can be that can be, I think, by the then leaders at that point of time
Hmm.
will be negotiating it, because this is what today is the scenario, and
Yeah.
what today people of Kashmir want.
और या ऐसा कोई टाइम फ्रेम रखा जा सकता है 15-20 साल का कि इसके अंदर वी कैन मे बी हैव कश्मीरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन पाकिस्तानी पार्लियामेंट एंड देन
That all those things can be said.
इफ
देखिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि देखिए at that time in 1947 also, for example, you see how Sheikh Abdullah went. Let us go and give devil due. He at that point of time also negotiated something with India. He was then ditched. He was then imprisoned. And then, to tell you very frankly, I told you in your last I think in when you had interview, I said, at that time in 1975, when he renegotiated with Indira Gandhi, he was prompted by your Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto that अब जो भी कुछ मिलना है तो हम तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. This is what he was. This is what is told. It is what is told by inner circles of Sheikh family, that Farooq Abdullah had been sent by Sheikh Abdullah to Pakistan before that agreement with Indira Gandhi, and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto had in no other terms told him that जो भी इस वक्त मिलता है इंदिरा गांधी से ले लो, हम नहीं आ सकते हैं, because Pakistan had lost a war in 1971. They were not in position. So the negotiations were going right after 1971. Indira Gandhi was very, very clever lady. After doing that 1971 and that Simla Pact, she then started negotiating with Sheikh Abdullah. And Sheikh Abdullah, she made him agree to even the lowest conditions.
हैप्पी डॉक्टर शाह कि अभी जैसे इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी इन्होंने दे आर होल्डिंग इट इन अबेयंस द इंडियंस और उसके बाद पाकिस्तान ने कहा था कि जी हम शिमला एग्रीमेंट से अलहदा हो जाएंगे तो विल यू बी हैप्पी इफ पाकिस्तान अलहदा हो जाता है शिमला एग्रीमेंट से
सर हमने तो when I first time I met Shah Mahmood Qureshi here in Turkey, when I was left from prison in India, and उस वक्त वही foreign minister थे, and during COVID times we met him in Istanbul, and my persons who were with me from Kashmir, we categorically told him that why did not the Pakistan government withdraw from the Simla Pact, because they have done unilateral action, and why
Yes.
Pakistan is still banking on Simla.
That changes the status of LOC to the ceasefire line.
Exactly. No, we as Kashmiris never consider it. We have been by force, or not can by force, by everybody telling it LOC, we say LOC, but actually it is ceasefire line.
Yes. बिकॉज ये तो शिमला एग्रीमेंट के बाद एलओसी बनी ना।
एग्जैक्टली सर। और ये हमारे को उस वक्त भी ये वी हैड अ कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट द व्हाट यू कॉल इमरान खान्स गवर्नमेंट दैट
Yeah.
why you did not come out of Simla Pact, and we told it to the foreign minister, you know, because he was the highest officer who came here and we
So
met
now
us.
it changes from a de facto border to a ceasefire line.
Exactly.
Yes, that's an entirely
We will
different.
be the happiest persons to be out of Simla, because this Simla Pact has put Kashmir in a deep freeze. And they
Yes,
have every time taken this advantage of अभी भी देखिए ना, अभी भी वो बोल रहे हैं bilaterally बात करेंगे। वो ट्रम्प साहब बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं जी, you have to do talks there, no we will do at the most bilateral। वो
नहीं
बोलते हैं कि हमको वो पीओके, मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू देम पीओके और आजाद कश्मीर को वापस करना है, वो दूसरी बात है, बट
जी
बेसिकली बायलैटरल करेंगे।
जी, खैर वो उनके कहने से अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो
नहीं,
जो
वो तो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर थिंकिंग। एंड
यस
even this present government, if you remember the present government को जब वो interim government आ गई थी, if you go back during those time, initially the Shahbaz Sharif's government had told that we'll start trade with India, you know, you remember? And I remember I telephoned one of the important persons in their party and told him on telephone from here that if you people do this, all Kashmiris will go against it, and then they stop talking about it. You know, it is because we know, because this one thing we liked about Imran Khan was also this thing that he completely stopped the trade. And I don't know, although I'm a businessman, and I don't know that all the businessmen who, for example, आपके वो बहुत बड़े businessmen हैं वहाँ, वो एक दिन उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा आर्टिकल लिखा कि यू नो वी शुड डू ट्रेड विद इंडिया। मैंने मैंने उनको कभी, मैंने पेपर पे मैंने लिखा भी था कि आप क्या ट्रेड करेंगे इंडिया के साथ, दे विल हॉलो आउट योर जो भी छोटी मोटी इंडस्ट्री है उसको भी हॉलो आउट करेंगे, because you will be only a consumer country. You cannot compete with Indian industry at the present situation. You will not be able to compete with them. So the question is, हमको पता है ना कि इंडियन इंडस्ट्री कहाँ
ये
डेवलप हुई है।
एक अलग डायनामिक्स है। आखिरी सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, मेरी जो बात हुई है ईस्ट पंजाब में लोगों से, वहाँ पे खालिस्तान के रहनुमाओं से, तो जब ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा था तो उन्होंने तो यहाँ तक बातें की, हमारे रिकॉर्ड पे मौजूद हैं, कि अगर पाकिस्तानी फोर्सेस इंडियन पंजाब में आती हैं तो वहाँ उन्हें लंगर खिलाया जाएगा, दे विल बी वेलकम देयर, सिख्स आर सो फेड अप विद इंडिया। क्या कश्मीर में भी ऐसी सूरत हाल है कि पाकिस्तानी फौज को लंगर खिलाया जाएगा वहां पे, अगर चली जाए?
देखिए सर, कश्मीर में तो यू नो इट विल बी मच मोर, बिकॉज इन द सेंस दैट वो तो लंगर वंगर की तो मतलब ये जो सिक्स हमारे हैं, दे हैव कम टू रियलाइज नाउ व्हाट इंडिया हैज, बट वी नो इट लॉन्ग टाइम बैक। अब ये है कि मतलब वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब 65 का हुआ तो उस वक्त प्लान, इट वाज नॉट प्लान, कश्मीरीज वर नॉट रेडी, ऑल दैट। लेकिन वो देखिए, हमको तो कंप्लेंट यही थी सबसे पहले, आपने इसी से स्टार्ट ही वो किया कि वी हैव गॉट कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान, दे डिड नॉट डू कम इनटू वॉर, इफ दे कम इनटू वॉर वी विल बी देयर।
मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ, और आपने अच्छा किया कि ये सारी बातें खुल के की, कि जो वहां पे लोगों की कंप्लेंट्स हैं, रिजर्वेशंस हैं, दिलों में बातें हैं, वो यहाँ सुनी जाए, सुनी जाएंगी तो एड्रेस होंगी ना। अगर वो बातें कहीं नहीं जाएंगी तो एम्बिग्विटीज रहेंगी, और वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो आपके लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है, हमारे लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है। बिकॉज इफ वी हैव टू लिव टुगेदर, वी शुड गेट दीज थिंग्स आउट ऑफ आवर वे once and for
we should know where we stand,
where we stand and the nature of our future relationship, हम एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे रहेंगे, कैसे बसेंगे। So maybe 20 years of an interim period between liberation and maybe a confederation or a merger, immediate merger ना भी हो तो उसको कुछ वक्त दे लिया जाए, उसका कोई मैकेनिज्म बने। So these things, I think we should start talking about it. We should start thinking.
we should, it is not that we should have all type of people talking about it, whether they want, there may be people or within Kashmiris who will be open about it, in the sense that we want merger with Pakistan. Some may be
Yes.
open about that we want to be independent. I am a person who will say no, you have to ask the people of Kashmir. I cannot
Yeah,
speak on behalf of the people of Kashmir. People of
but you can
Kashmir have
speak
to
on
vote
behalf
for it.
of yourself. Which side are you on?
सर मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. हमारे गिलानी साहब थे ना, गिलानी साहब हमारे एक लीडर, बहुत बड़े लीडर थे गिलानी साहब. तो उनको जब हमने वो एक उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मतलब कन्विंस किया, तो उनको वो क्या नाम है, बरखा दत्त आ गई इंटरव्यू करने के लिए. तो उन्होंने उसको बोला कि आप क्या मतलब आप क्या चाहते हैं, ये मूवमेंट जो इस वक्त हो रही है, वो हमको राइट ऑफ सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन चाहिए. तो उन्होंने फिर पूछा उस मतलब बरखा ने बोला, नहीं आप क्या चाहते हैं. बोले, नो नो डोंट आस्क मी दैट, आस्क मी
तो
व्हाट
हम
पीपल
पे बोल सकते हैं,
वांट.
आपसे फोन पे पूछ
मैं
लेंगे।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये बोल सकता हूँ, जो लोग चाहते हैं वो मैं भी चाहता हूँ.
बहुत जाते हैं, खैर
Because it is important for people like me not to speak out on this, because then we will prejudice people who look towards us to
अंडरस्टैंड,
some extent. I do not consider myself a big leader, but
कंप्लीटली.
I need to be neutral about it.
लेकिन मैं अपने देखने सुनने वालों को जाने से पहले ये अर्ज करना चाहूंगा कि हमने ये लाउड थिंकिंग की है डॉक्टर साहब के साथ, और मकसद ये था ये बात करने का कि ये बातें अब डिस्कस होनी चाहिए. मे बी जो आज हमने पॉसिबिलिटीज डिस्कस की हैं, हमारे सुनने वाले लोगों में ज़्यादा पॉलिटिकली ज़्यादा ज़हीन लोग हैं. वो मे बी दे कैन कम अप विद बेटर सॉल्यूशंस, बेटर पॉसिबिलिटीज. तो जब ये बात आगे बढ़ेगी तो उसमें हो सकता है कि दोनों तरफ से कश्मीर के लोग भी बात करें, मुमकिन हो तो यहाँ कमेंट करें, अपना वीडियो के साथ अपनी तजावीज़ दें कि ये रिलेशनशिप कैसा होगा, इसकी कैसी डायनामिक्स होंगी, कैसी पॉसिबिलिटीज होंगी. और फिर जाहिर है फिर किसी बड़े फोरम पे भी ये बात जाएगी, किसी सॉलिड पॉलिटिकल फोरम पे, जैसे कि पार्लियामेंट्स हैं, वहाँ पे भी ये बात होगी एक दिन जाके. तो इसकी इब्तिदा करने की हमने कोशिश की है. डॉक्टर साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अपने ख्यालात शेयर करने का, and really appreciate your openness about these things, and this is what we really need this moment. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.